What is up everyone? I'm Allie. Welcome to my channel and my first video for my 2014 Subaru WRX rebuild. You can see behind me we have actually already been doing some work on her, doing a little bit of time travel. We actually have already pulled the motor to figure out what is wrong, so I will show you that in a couple of minutes. I actually haven't even watched that footage yet. My buddy Anthony was running around with the camera, so I don't even know if it turned out. If you're watching this, it means that there was actually content and it turned out halfway decent that I decided to post it on the internet. A little bit of backstory on the Subaru. We were on our way to a friend's birthday party a couple of months ago and heard some rod knock on the interstate, got on the off-ramp, literally a mile away from where we were headed, and the car just died. After a couple of months back and forth fighting with Subaru because it was supposed to be covered under warranty, they ended up not covering it, so here she is, and we are rebuilding her. She actually blew up on the day that I made the first payment, so that was really great. All right, guys, if anything turned out, I'm gonna play it here.
I saw a piece shoot towards you.
Watch your eyes, Jimmy. Now everyone's watching your eyes.
It's just like good
riddance.
It's got a gap.
It doesn't. Go down.
Oh, dude, it's coming.
Yeah, I've heard, oh dude, it's coming like 6 times, but it hasn't come yet.
It's definitely not getting tighter.
That's what she said.
More little,
We're just gonna
Flat
shove
plates?
this housing full of screwdrivers.
That's how I got mine.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think I had 5 screwdrivers in it by the end. Here we go.
Wow!
They don't break the fly though. Once it pops, it's gonna
Hang
pop.
on, Conley's under there, so we don't.
Conley, take off the bolts for the dowel rods.
All right, so now Jake's theory might work, where we jack the front end of this up and wiggle and jiggle.
It needs more vape juice. Blow your vape at it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here.
Please penetrate only when you have vape juice.
Yeah,
Hey,
there
is
you
there
go.
something under the trans? There is?
Yeah,
No,
Conley.
we want it there. We want
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, I got it!
it. Jack the motor up.
Yeah, 12 millimeter pump, new water pump, timing belt, all that. Yeah, yeah. All the, yeah.
Hey, did you do that 12mm SDI?
Who's that flashlight?
See, I told you it's not a freaking. This is a push style, not a pull style.
That's what we said you do.
I can stop recording now.
He's been busy.
Yeah. Whoa.
So it's really not that bad. You probably could write a
It's
quarter.
really not that bad. Like, there's a little bit of stuff.
Dude, change
but it's
oil.
not like-
You guys go through a lot of work to do a basic oil change.
See, the problem is,
How else do you do it?
you don't take water out to do it all. What have I been doing wrong?
Well, this is on.
Took a oil filter apart to see how bad that is.
We don't care that much.
Yeah, I just want to see the pickup.
That's why the guys at the shop laughed at me.
They must have never done an oil change before. So tight.
Put that, and then we'll flip it.
You want to get the oil filter off so you get the rest of the oil out?
You should be able to get it with your hand.
Put a screwdriver through it.
Oh!
You ain't gonna reuse it. What am I gonna put it on the new motor? I don't see the issue here.
It's a break-in one. Break in. Why didn't you put an OEM?
Because it blew up.
It didn't say how long ago. It didn't run long.
So we're just doing the oil change, putting it back in, right?
How many miles did it have on the oil change?
1500 maybe?
Allie, you gonna start it?
Basically every
Yeah, let me turn the car on. Or just fill it up. Just hook up the battery. It's good.
Wow. She went in there and opened the door. Hey, see if the tricular light's on.
Yeah, if it works, engine's not in there.
Go this way. You guys still trust OEM filters?
Careful that chain.
Because that's
Go the other way.
Oh no, the cap fell off. Where'd the oil cap go?
Fell off into my hand when I was downstairs. Sorry.
How many two?
Oh, she wet.
Flip it back this way.
It's actually supposed to be like that.
No, that way. Stop. Too much. I'm trying to put this back in. Now somebody push it this way.
Like all the way?
Okay, I gotta stop.
Yeah.
All right, let go. All right, let's roll this where it's clean. Actually, we shouldn't.
Oh, hey, take this off. That's all I want to see.
Yeah, I want to see.
Oh, get a 10 and a freaking impact.
You should just get headers for it.
You know what? You think we're made of money here?
Well, I hope so. You bought it too, bro.
Oh, the tube's gotta come off, doesn't it?
You gotta unbolt it and pull it out.
No, it's not.
It's just an O-ring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It should just
Just
pull
pull
out.
this out. It's gonna be stuck because this gasket.
Get the hammer. He just needs one more of those. One more Dawson Wrx. Hit it the other way now.
Need to go with maximum?
I'm gonna bend this sheet on Why does this car have such a problem?
This was 60,000 miles.
No oil change.
There you go. What are you using?
Good job, Tyler.
How many idiots does it take to take an oil pan off?
Same as it takes to separate a motor from a train.
You have to get this past the mount to get it slid it out. You have to get this up. You have to, I think you have to pick up the bottom. Let this, there it goes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, pretty!
So like,
Oh, yeah.
Dog! That's
Here's a piece.
yeah, it's actually like supposed to be.
Babe, your engine blew up.
Yeah.
Here you go. Here's another one.
pickup. Is the pickup actually cracked?
I don't feel anything.
Impacto!
Yeah, I think it's actually.
Hey, Impacto, man.
Is it gritty?
Is it sparkly?
Holy dude.
Great.
It's great.
Why is it gray?
Due to the exhaust and everything.
It's a 12.
Put his built motor in it.
Yeah, I'll just take it off so you can inspect it later.
Yep, there it is.
I see it. I see it.
What?
Oh, your metal.
Bearing material.
Dude, you
That's
blew
like-
it up.
Yeah, like this bitch blew up.
Done blown.
Take it to the oil shop. Did you take all the chunky bits out?
It had to have cracked somewhere. It'd probably be right there. Is that it right there?
And normally it was cracking like here.
Is that what you think was broken? Is that?
I think so.
They have a problem.
Starved it.
This injects air into it.
O-ring on where this came off of?
Yeah.
Yes.
That might be the issue.
They built this one wrong.
It's actually better that way.
Without no O-ring?
With no ring. You feel any rods better? Holy mother of God. That's
Dude, she's fine.
That one's not bad.
Put it back
Somebody
together. Put
rotate.
oil in it.
Oh my!
It's so
There it is. Found it.
No, actually, that's supposed to happen.
All right, everyone. After all of that, we finally got the motor out of the car. Huge shout out to Jake, Conley, and Dawson for coming over and giving us a hand with this. And of course, all the guys that were just here for emotional support and didn't really do anything. No, but it was super fun hanging out with everyone and finally getting this motor pulled. Tyler and I have never really dealt with Subaru, so this is all pretty new to us, but we are going to go ahead and start rebuilding her finally. I'm super excited to get this car back up and running. I've just been driving the Audi, which I mean is fun, but not really that fun. I think that is a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to follow along with the build. We are going to be taking you through the entire thing, so I'm not sure how often we're going to be uploading, but we're trying to keep you interested at least. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next one.